Can you put a dog door in a French door? The ultimate guide for Australian pet owners. Ever looked at your furry best friend standing by the beautifully crafted French doors, tail wagging, nose pressed against the glass, and wondered, can I install a dog door here? This video will provide answers and dispel any confusion. Carve out some of your time and let's dive into the exciting world of dog doors in French doors. French doors breathe elegance and charm into any space, effortlessly connecting your home's interior with its lush outdoor spaces. It's no wonder Aussie homeowners love them. However, their practicality might be questionable if you share your home with a furry friend. This is where dog doors come into play. Can you put a dog door in a French door? In short, yes, you can. However, the process is not as straightforward as adding a dog door to a traditional door. French doors often have intricate designs and large glass panes, which could pose challenges. This begs the question, what dog door options are compatible with French doors? Understanding the types of dog doors. There are two main categories of dog doors, manual and electronic, and both types can be installed in a French door with a little ingenuity and skill. Manual dog doors. Manual dog doors are the simplest and most affordable option on the market. They feature a flap made of durable plastic or vinyl that swings freely, allowing your dog to move between spaces. Challenges. Since French doors usually have multiple glass panels, a manual dog door may require cutting into the glass, which could void your warranty or risk damage. A professional glazier or experienced DIY enthusiast may overcome this obstacle more easily. Electronic dog doors. These high-tech pet doors come equipped with smart features, such as motion sensors and programmed access. Some models use RFID or Bluetooth technology to recognize your pet's collar, granting them exclusive access to the door. Challenges. Aussie homeowners should be aware that electronic dog doors can be pricier and may involve additional steps, such as electrical wiring or replacing an entire glass pane. Cautions and considerations. Before you embark on installing a dog door in your lovely French door, weigh the pros and cons. Think about potential security risks, and ensure the installation doesn't compromise your door's structural integrity or aesthetics. Take note of weatherproofing materials and the energy efficiency of your chosen pet door. And always consult local building codes and homeowners association regulations before making any modifications to your home. Installing a dog door in a French door. Now that we've covered our options, let's talk about installation. DIY-savvy pet parents may choose to take matters into their own hands, while others may prefer to call in the professionals. DIY installation. Gather necessary tools, tape measure, pencil, drill, jigsaw, and protective gear. Complete measurements. Mark the dog door's dimensions on masking tape placed on the French door, ensuring it's leveled and centered. Make your cuts. Make starter holes in each corner of your marked rectangle with your drill. Then, use your jigsaw to cut along the inside of the marked lines. Install the frame and pet door. Assemble the frame and pet door, following the manufacturer's instructions. Place the pet door into the cutter and attach it securely to the French door. Test and seal. Test the door's functionality, then use weather sealing materials to top it off. Keep in mind that DIY installation can be more challenging with French doors as it often involves cutting glass. Practice caution, and consider reaching out to a glazier or other professionals for assistance with tricky tasks. Professional installation. Professional installation services can save time and guarantee a polished outcome for those who aren't up to the challenge. Expert glaziers, handymen, or even specialized pet door installation companies can navigate the complexities of French doors and dog door installations. The benefits of having a dog door for your pet. Freedom. Your pet gains the freedom to move between indoor and outdoor spaces without waiting for your permission. Reduced anxiety. Pets prone to separation anxiety cope better when they have access to other areas of the home. Less indoor accidents. No need to worry about potty training setbacks or late-night bathroom breaks for your furry friends. Physical and mental stimulation. Playing outside offers a wealth of sensory stimuli that keep your pet engaged and entertained. Owner convenience. End the cycle of letting your dog in and out, and focus on more important things. The best alternatives to installing a dog door in a French door. If installing a dog door in your French door isn't feasible, fear not. There are alternative solutions that grant your pet the freedom they crave. Installing a dog door through a wall or in another entry door close to your French doors. Utilizing a sliding dog door insert designed for patio doors. Exploring electronic pet sensors that open doors when approached. Swapping your current French door for a custom door equipped with a dog door. In conclusion, you can put a dog door in a French door, but it requires careful planning, appropriate tools, and skillful execution. Always remember your pet's needs, the essence of your home, and the aesthetics of your French doors. Happy tail wagging awaits.